This is the script for the integral control demo. Uh, so here here in this function we implement the integral control. So this is only integral control. We specify a integral gain, then we uh, calculate the integral sum by adding the error into the integral sum, and then we calculate the integral term by multiplying the gain with the integral sum, and then return these two values. And here we, in the main function, we set a point 50, then we create a process variable, then integral sum, and continuously we get the position of the slider, so, and calculate the error between the set point and the process variable, and then we calculate the integral term and the integral sum, and then on the basis of this we uh, and this is all with this time duration of 0.1, so that's 100 milliseconds. So let's run it. So if we run it, we can see, yes, we can see that this is at 0 position, and it is generating an error which is incrementing as the time is passing on. And if I adjust this towards the 50 set point, the error becomes less, and at 50 the error is 0, so the integral term does not increase. But when I go past 50, the error is reducing, so it becomes negative, so the integral term gets decremented, and it is calculating the multiplying the error with the integral sum with the ki, or the integral gain that you have put here. So it is now what in actual it will do is, let's say it is at 50. Let's say it is a DC motor which starts at 0, so integral term will increase, and this integral term will make the motor run slowly and put it into drive. So at 622 it will be running, so it will go past 50 and reach somewhere around here, and it will be stay there until the integral term becomes negative, and it will go back towards the 0, and then it fluctuates between here and there until it reaches the position 50. So this is what integral control does. So this is only integral control. It's not applied individually. It is applied with proportional control or with derivative. So it makes a PID algorithm work. So it is a part of a bigger algorithm. It is just a simple way of explaining integral control. Thank you.